Hi Leilani, I'm making a video to show you how to log into Imagine Learning. I sent one to you already, but this one is a little bit simpler. That means a little easier because there are fewer steps. So what you can do to log into Imagine Learning is go to the daily schedule in Seesaw. So like for today's schedule, you would go to the Imagine Learning link. So wherever you see this little Imagine Learning guy, you press on the link. And it brings you to this login page for David Douglas that's green with the D and the trees. And you put in your username and password. Your username and password are 760518 for your username. And your password is 02212014. And you press login. Then this is your dashboard, it's called. And you can tell that it's your dashboard because it has your name right here. So you want to press on Imagine Learning, which is the red and blue kind of person thing. And it will say, is your name Leilani? And you press yes, and then it will get started. And once you are finished with Imagine Learning, you press the pause button and the red log out button to leave. So that is how you get into Imagine Learning. Please let me know if you have any other questions.